so many business that you have to set up shipping, go out and make brand deals. But what if I told you that there are 3 different side hustles that is done 100% online? So get your laptop and test these 3 online money-making methods that you can do anywhere, which I will be rating on earnings, time to start making money, and any time to earn up to 5 figures a month. So let's cut the crap and get right into this. You may not have heard of this one, which will probably be the case for our next 2 hustles, but that's exactly my job, explaining them to you. Closed captioning is when you maintain a contract with a business to provide captions to the audio you hear. Yes, it's as simple as it sounds, and spots for this business are running out quick, so hop on board before it's too late. Once you've become a reputable and good captioner, the average paycheck you can expect is around $4,000 a month, just captioning audio on your own terms. Rating its earnings, I would rate it a 4.5. This hustle is easy and provides the same pay as a decent full-time job for half the time spent. On time taken to build this, I would rate it a 4. Becoming a reputable closed captioner takes time, and errors can hurt this process, so around 6-10 months are needed to build the biggest earnings. You must be thinking, what's a digital product? Well, this isn't actually a physical product. A digital product could be anything that you feel like is worth some money. This could be a tutorial, lessons, courses, or anything else like these. Some ideas for what this could be. Start thinking. What are you good at? This could be sport, academic, or even self-improvement advice. To start this hustle, you would need to make a website. I would recommend EasyDUID, a free website designer. Then to gain popularity, you should market the benefits of using your courses. This should be done on platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Out of 5 stars on money, I would rate this hustle a 3.5. This hustle has the potential to start earning huge amounts of money, but in the starter's range, it is hard to sell courses. On the time it takes, I would rate it a 4 stars. This hustle particularly requires the longest amount of time to make significant progress. The last hustle we have is called Dropservicing.
Dropservicing works like dropshipping. You list a product, in our case a service, on and use another supplier. For us, that would be a cheaper option of the service we will provide. First, we would need to choose a service to offer. For my Dropservicing, I decided to offer the service of video editing and thumbnail artist. I targeted YouTube channels with around 100 to 500,000 subscribers that have a bit of money to spend. Before this step, however, you need to find your supplier, which is someone that provides the same service, but for cheaper. I would recommend going to Fiverr for this step and look up cheap versions of your service. The best thing about Dropservicing is that after you've built this business for a solid month or 2, you can build long-term clients and keep these contracts, earning up to 4 figures a month with this idea. And it's not talked about enough. So to rate the money, I would rate it a 4. The money you make is extremely passive and can range to a massive amount depending on your reselling contract. On time taken, I would rate it a 2.5. The process of Dropservicing is extremely fast once you take action and basically runs itself perfectly.